Total Control Products now offers direct replacement disc brake spindles for early Mustangs and many other classic Ford models. The spindles are manufactured using modern steel alloys with greatly improved durability and strength over the original OEM pieces. Total Control Products offers two types of spindle configurations. OEM-style disc brake spindles share Ford's identical geometry for the 70 to 73 disc brakes or aftermarket disc brakes, and the 70 to 73 Granada-style brake spindles, which takes advantage of the larger Granada outer tie rod taper to increase durability and reliability. All Ford spindle sets come powder-coated for a long-lasting and high-quality appearance. For more information on these and other great items, go to TotalControlProducts.com.